Intro to 9 types of resistors. Resistors are available all shapes and sizes. Large resistors are often needed for top power situations. Miniature resistors are found in very small devices. The standard through-hole resistor is found in older circuits also as hobby circuits. Most resistors have the symbol R on a PCB and most are often salvaged for future projects. What do these components look like? How can they be specified on circuit boards? 1. Carbon film resistors. Carbon film resistors are the foremost basic kind of resistor. These resistors have color bands which signalize their resistance and tolerance levels. 2. Metal film resistors. Metal film resistors are very almost like carbon film resistors, except for his or her greater tolerances and temperature coefficient properties. They are often found in situations that an accurate resistor is necessary, such as multimeters, with tolerance levels typically between 0.1 to 2%. 3. Thin film resistors. Thin film resistors are commonly found in modern electronics, as they're frequently utilized in surface mount resistors. These resistors have a typical tolerance level between 1 to 5%, which makes them useful for general use, analog circuitry, pull-up resistors. SMD resistors are incredibly small and are difficult to salvage, and it's arguably cheaper to get new parts. 4. Power resistor. Power resistors are very large and sometimes have a coffee resistance level, 0 to 100 ohms. They're designed to be utilized in projects requiring an outsized voltage or current, such as motors and other high-powered equipment. 5. Carbon composition resistors. Carbon composition resistors are one among the primary resistors to be mass-produced. Like carbon film resistors, they need color bands that indicate their resistance value and are housed in plastic cylinders, often brown. These resistors are almost never used for manufacturing purposes as they need poor tolerances and are expensive. 6. Resistor arrays. Sometimes, many of an equivalent resistors are needed in parallel, like pull-down resistors on a knowledge bus or series protection resistors for input connectors. In these situations, resistor arrays are available both through hole and SMD format. 7. Printed carbon resistor. In some instances, the accuracy of the resistor isn't entirely important, and employing a standard carbon film or SMD resistor could also be too costly during a mass-produced environment. In this case, carbon resistors are often printed directly onto a PCB. These resistors are nothing quite a carbon compound painted between two contact points. 8. Shunts. Shunts are specialized resistors that are utilized in ammeter applications. They often contain a bit of metal between two connectors and have very low resistance. Shunts are known to be very accurate and capable of handling large currents. 9. Wire wound resistors. Wire wound resistors are made up of wire wound around an insulating core, often made from materials like nichrome.